How to check which Apache modules are enabled/installed? Which is the most elegant way to check which Apache modules are enabled?
You're on Ubuntu, so try.
HTTPDM will tell you which modules are built in or shared. Nothing from the answers above works if you can't run commands on a remote server. If you have only user privileges or none at all, try creating a test.php script. Though, it will only work if PHP is installed as mod_PHP.
Maybe this will help for some people on shared hosts with no access to HTTPD, Apache or processes. Enabled modules, ls. Available modules, ls.
Se não há utilizar o please consiga associar-me.